And good day, traders. Welcome back to the XM Live. Welcome back to Mobile on the Go, Mobile Hero Trading Session, guys. So we are going into the slowly into the US market. Basically, we don't have big movements, but guys, you can already see that many of these yen crosses are moving, and mostly, guys, I actually entered a couple of those trades, and well, so far I have a little bit of exposure here on the yen. We will check the charts, guys, now, but we will also make some new trades if we see possibility for actually making new trades. So today, guys, we have gold. We had gold actually, particularly has been pretty good so far. Big profits. You can see weekly profits 2,760 euros on the account, which is pretty good, guys. So the account has more than 60-70% gain, and that's one of the reasons why I'm risking a little bit, guys. Not, I would say too much, yes, but I risk more because profits are there, so I take risks from profits. You can see here, guys, really big profits, and when you click tabs, guys, you're really going into weekly tabs, guys. Bigger corrections are a part of making these profits. All right. So why do we make profits like this, guys? Because market give us corrections. Without corrections, there is no profits like this, guys. So we are talking about week, guys. Look how many trades I did for the week. And that's why I prefer to do intraday trading, as I think that the intraday trading is the best compromise between profit making and generally trading with, let's say, moderate. So I always try to get guys best possible out of every setup, but sometimes actually it's not possible that we win all of the trades. Sometimes market goes in a different direction. There are many factors that move the market. So it's important, guys, that we keep stops, always stop loss. So before we continue, I will check if I have stops on all markets here. Yes, I do. And currently, yen crosses are undergoing a correction. Now, what is important? Remember, guys, it doesn't mean that if CAD yen or GBP yen is going up, that the whole day is going to be up. It doesn't mean at all. Because you remember yesterday, gold was dropping, and what we did, we were buying gold. Yesterday, the best setup that we had in gold were actually gold long trades from every single trade went in profit. The only trade that I lost in gold was I didn't move my stop loss to 33.48, and I moved on all other trades 33.48. So even that trade would have been in profit uh, by at maximum 200 points if I let it run and move my stop loss to 48. So yesterday, 3 out of 4 trades in gold made good profits, but the problem was, just give me, I will show you guys, just to, I will show you something so you actually mean that I'm not talking without any proofs here. Here it is, guys. All right. So you can see here, gold, yesterday gold trades. This trade here, where it says stop loss was hit, I didn't move my stop loss to 40. And below that, there are 2 trades that I also made, but here my stop loss was 48. So I forgot to move stop loss here. If this trade also came in the profit, I would probably close it for some 80, 90 points. So you see, gold was definitely to go long yesterday after the drop. All right. And then what's your stop loss for CAD yen and Euro yen? Good morning, Nando. I will show you right now here. Euro yen, I have a tight stop, 23. I don't want to move my stop loss. Really, look at my risk. My risk is extremely low here. One of the reasons, guys, look, Euro yen doesn't have a big peak value. Someone might think that 0.30 loss on euro yen is not small risk, but look, my stop loss is only 26 points, and euro yen generally has lower pip value. So one pip in euro yen is not like one pip in euro dollar or dollar yen or euro GBP, you know. So my risk is, let's say, more or less like 40 and few euros. So it's a very small risk because I didn't particularly like to put bigger stops when there is no volatility. You get my point. Now, of course, what means is that CAD yen could probably drop during or when the US session starts. My stop loss is higher in CAD yen, 107.82. But for euro yen, I decided to go, I mean, a bit aggressively because I look at the setup actually. It's V shape. So if the market doesn't go below 88.6, probably it will go to 171.37, maybe even breaking that level. So I'm not particularly interested to put my stop loss here in euro yen. You know, that's why I go with aggressive entry here, aggressive stop loss. It's look, it's only one piece of the puzzle, 88.6. We didn't have the order block, and actually, yen crosses now are making a pullback from yesterday drops. All right, which accounts for gold also, because now gold is dropping even more. You see, so I don't think that anything will be particularly interesting prior to U.S. session. U.S. session will give us cues, answers, and potential. I mean, I'm sure that there will be higher volatility, but still, you know, it's not something that I would. Maybe now we can try a scalp trade if we have a setup, because we still have like 3 more hours till the U.S. session starts. So maybe we can see some scalp trade. I was even thinking about euro dollar, guys. I'm not. I don't like 4 hour because I mean there is no setup in the 4 hour look. But if you go to 1 hour time frame, there are multiple rejections from EMA 21. Maybe, as I said, this could be a scalp trade. The only thing that I worry about is momentum because it's so slow that it's any moves. So if you take a scalp trade, stop loss need to be below 63 for aggressive stop 60, let's say. That could be maybe a scalp trade for based on 1 hour rejections. Because you see, guys, in 1 hour we have something. We have Firebird pattern here. This is Firebird, which is bullish. We have EMA multiple rejections, 21. And we see the big cup with a handle here. So that is why I was thinking, let's do it. I will actually do it. A scalp trade in euro dollar. Look, guys, for scalp trades, you need to ramp up your risk a little bit. So I will just put 0.30 loss here, and I will put my stop loss at 15.59. So 58. Okay, I'm adding. Actually, because it's a scalp trade, we need to go aggressively. Not 5 pips. I will put literally 15 pips. This is for me a scalp trade. All right. So let's see if euro yen, if euro dollar can actually go a little bit higher, which would be good, guys, because look, we are definitely here at, let's say, almost at the bottom of the right Phoenix wing, because this pattern is reminiscent of inverted shoulder head shoulder formation, but it's actually Phoenix. It's Firebird Phoenix pattern, bullish. All right. Let me see the screen. Here, this is it. You see, this is the pattern, guys. Left wing, all right? Then you have the head, and you have the right wing. So this is a scalp euro dollar trade to the long side. Yeah, you see, it's trying to go higher a little bit. It's incredible how momentum is slowing down prior to US session. See, guys, here I would say we are like in a holiday market, literally flat, totally. Let's see if euro dollar can make 5 pips to the upside. 5 pips at least, guys, because the range in euro dollar is extremely low. Let me check the range in euro dollar. How you can do it, guys? Uh, Here, euro dollar, you go to chart, you go to daily, and see here, 91 is okay. This is not small range. It's okay, but today's range in euro dollar is 24 pips. So euro dollar made 24 pips since midnight. That's very, very low. All right. Uh, all right. Okay, guys. I'm trying to. I don't. I cannot. Yeah. Now here I see the screen. Euro dollar. Okay. Here you see, guys. This is daily time frame. 88.6 already provided two rejections in 2 days, and this was the furthest it went. 55 pips. So basically now it's time to push price higher. Usually, guys, after two consecutive rejections, market changes the direction. That's what I noticed. 88.6 can hold and will probably hold for the first touch. But then on the second touch, it's not that strong. However, here we have the second touch stronger than the first touch rejection. So the third time it should go higher and it should break 1950.98. All right. So now I see that yen crosses are making now move to the downside, which could be great for us, guys. Really, hopefully. As euro dollar will go slightly higher. Let's see, guys. I said that this is a scalp trade. So you see, guys, when I want to make a scalp trade, I go to lower time frame. I don't usually go on 15-minute. 1 hour for me is good, especially because 1 hour, guys, has shoulder head shoulder formation, which is Phoenix pattern rejection. And now in 4 hour time frame on my computer, I can see basically divergence. Let's see if we can spot divergence by applying the Williams percent range here. Not sure, but just let me try. This is hidden bullish divergence. Price makes a higher low, and oscillator makes a lower high, right?